Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to make money on TikTok in 2024. Whether you're a budding influencer or a seasoned creator, we've got the strategies you need to turn your TikTok passion into profit.
First, let's talk about brand partnerships and sponsorships. This is like teaming up with your favorite companies to make awesome content together. Imagine getting paid to create TikToks featuring products you already love. We're talking big brands, small businesses, anyone who wants to reach your awesome audience. I'll show you how to find brands that fit your style, how to approach them with a killer pitch, and how to make sponsored content that feels natural and engaging. Remember, authenticity is key. You don't want to promote something you don't believe in. Find that perfect match and watch the magic happen.
Next up is the TikTok Creator Fund. This is like TikTok's way of saying thank you for making awesome content. Basically, you get to earn money directly from TikTok based on how well your videos perform. The more views, likes, shares, and engagement you get, the more you can earn. But here's the catch. There are some rules and guidelines to qualify. Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll break down all the eligibility requirements step by step so you can unlock your earning potential. Plus, I'll share some insider tips and best practices to maximize your earnings from the Creator Fund. Let's get you paid for your creativity.
All right, let's talk about stream ads. Think of it like those quick commercial breaks you see on TV, but on your TikTok videos. It's a win-win situation. Viewers get a short break, and you get paid for every ad impression. Setting it up is super easy, and I'll walk you through the entire process. We'll dive into your ad settings, how to choose the right ad formats for your content, and how to make sure those ads are actually making you money. And hey, we all know how important those ad dollars are. I'll share some strategies to boost your ad impressions and turn your TikTok channel into a money-making machine.
Get ready to go live, because TikTok live gifts and coins are about to change the game. This is your chance to connect with your audience in real time, answer their questions, and build that personal connection that makes TikTok so special. And the best part? Your viewers can show their appreciation by sending you virtual gifts, which you can then convert into real money. It's like getting a standing ovation, but with actual cash. We'll cover everything from setting up your live streams to engaging with your audience effectively. Plus, I'll reveal some pro tips to keep those gifts rolling in and turn your live sessions into money-making events.
Ever wanted to get a cut of the profits from your favorite brands? That's what affiliate marketing is all about. You basically become a brand ambassador, recommending products you love to your followers. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to share your favorite things. But here's the key, you gotta choose the right products and promote them authentically. Don't just shill anything and everything. Focus on products that genuinely align with your brand and that your audience will actually find valuable. I'll teach you how to find the best affiliate programs, craft compelling product recommendations, and maximize your earning potential. Get ready to turn your recommendations into revenue. All right, time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and sell your own merchandise. Imagine your fans rocking t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, all branded with your unique logo or catchphrase. That's the power of merch. And the best part? You control the entire process, from designing your products to setting your prices. I'll guide you through setting up your online store, creating eye-catching designs, and promoting your merch to your TikTok audience. We'll explore different platforms for selling your products and discuss strategies to drive traffic to your store. Get ready to turn your followers into loyal customers.
Chapter 7. Hashtag challenges are the heart and soul of TikTok, and guess what? You can make money from them. Brands are always on the lookout for creative ways to engage with TikTok users, and that's where you come in. By participating in or even creating your own branded hashtag challenges, you can increase your visibility, gain followers, and earn some serious cash. But here's the secret sauce. Your challenge needs to be fire. It's got to be catchy, engaging, and something that people actually want to participate in. I'll share some tips on how to come up with winning hashtag challenge ideas, how to partner with brands effectively, and how to make your challenges go viral. Get ready to unleash your creativity and watch those views skyrocket.
Chapter 8. Ever create a TikTok video that just blows up and goes viral? Well, guess what? That viral content is valuable, and you can actually license it to media outlets and brands for a profit. Think of it like selling the rights to use your video for their own marketing purposes. It's a great way to earn passive income from your existing content. But hold on, before you start sending your videos to every media company out there are a few things you need to know. I'll walk you through the process of protecting your intellectual property, negotiating licensing agreements, and making sure you're getting a fair deal. Get ready to turn your viral fame into financial gain.
Chapter 9. You've mastered the art of TikTok. Now it's time to share your knowledge and become a TikTok guru. Seriously, there are tons of people out there who are just starting out or struggling to grow their TikTok presence. They need your help, and they're willing to pay for it. Offer your expertise through consulting and coaching services. Provide personalized advice, host webinars, create online courses, and guide others on their TikTok journey. I'll share some tips on how to identify your target audience, package your services effectively, and market yourself as a TikTok expert. Get ready to turn your knowledge into a profitable business.
Chapter 10. Crowdfunding. Let's talk crowdfunding. This is a powerful way to fund your creative projects. Whether it's buying new equipment, hiring a video editor, or even just having more time to focus on creating amazing content. Platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter allow your most loyal fans to become your patrons, supporting your work through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations. But here's the deal, you've got to give your supporters a reason to invest in you. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, personalized shoutouts, or anything else that makes them feel like they're part of your journey. I'll show you how to create compelling crowdfunding campaigns, engage with your supporters, and turn your passion into a sustainable career. Chapter 11. Collaborations with other creators. Two heads are better than one, right? Well, in the world of TikTok, two creators are definitely better than one. Collaborating with other influencers is a fantastic way to expand your reach, tap into new audiences, and boost your engagement. Find creators who share a similar target audience or who create content that complements yours. Then brainstorm some epic collaboration ideas that will blow both of your audiences away. I'll share some strategies for finding the perfect collaborators, planning successful collaborations, and making sure both parties benefit from the partnership. Get ready to double your impact and double your fun.
Chapter 12. Offering freelance services. You've got skills, my friend, and those skills are in high demand. Many businesses and creators on TikTok are looking for talented individuals like you to help them with video editing, social media management, content creation, and more. Why not put your talents to good use and offer your services as a freelancer? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easier than ever to connect with potential clients and showcase your skills. I'll give you some tips on creating a killer portfolio, setting competitive rates, and finding clients who need your unique expertise. Get ready to turn your side hustle into a thriving freelance business.
Chapter 13. They say knowledge is power, and on TikTok, knowledge can also be profitable. If you're passionate about a particular topic or have valuable skills to share, consider creating and selling educational content. This could be anything from online courses and workshops to ebooks and guides. People are always looking for ways to learn new things or improve their skills, and TikTok can be a great platform to reach a wider audience. I'll show you how to identify your niche, create high-quality educational content, and market your products effectively. Get ready to empower others and generate some income while you're at it. Chapter 14. Subscription-based content. Want to build a loyal community of superfans who support your work on an ongoing basis? Subscription-based content is the way to go. Platforms like Patreon and OnlyFans allow you to offer exclusive content, perks, and interactions to your most dedicated followers in exchange for a recurring subscription fee. This could include behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, personalized shoutouts, exclusive live streams, and more. I'll share some strategies for creating irresistible subscription tiers, engaging with your members, and turning your most passionate fans into your biggest supporters. Chapter 15. Selling shoutouts. Everyone loves a good shoutout. If you've built up a decent following on TikTok, you can actually monetize your influence by selling personalized shoutouts to your audience. Businesses and individuals are often willing to pay to get their message in front of your followers. Just make sure you're transparent about it being a paid promotion, and only collaborate with brands that align with your values. I'll show you how to set up a system for selling shoutouts, determine your pricing, and deliver engaging and authentic shoutouts that resonate with your audience. Chapter 16. Earning through events. Alright, time to take your TikTok game offline and into the real world. Hosting events, whether they're virtual or in person, can be a fantastic way to connect with your followers, build a stronger community, and generate some serious income. This could be anything from meet and greets and workshops to live performances and Q&A sessions. I'll walk you through the process of planning a successful event, from choosing the right format and venue to marketing your event and selling tickets. Get ready to create unforgettable experiences for your fans and turn your passion into a party. Ready to turn your TikTok passion into profit? Get your copy of How to Make Money on TikTok in 2024 and access our exclusive video course. Visit joe.solutions to get started now. Join the community of successful TikTok creators and unlock the secrets to monetizing your content. Click the link below to start your journey today. Subscribe for more tips and updates.